Welcome to Hold Fast Your English. Let us start. Let's go deep into prepositions of time. These are words we use to show the relationship of time between different elements in a sentence. They help us answer questions like when, how long, by when, since when, etc. Prepositions of time, detailed explanation. 1. Basic prepositions of time. These are the most common. A. At. Used for specific points of time. Examples. I wake up at 6 a.m. We met at noon. The train leaves at midnight. Rule. Use it for precise clock times, festivals, or short specific points. Be on. Used for days and dates. Examples. She was born on Monday. We will meet on 8th September. They go to church on Christmas Day. Rule. Use on for days, dates, and special days. See in. Used for longer periods. Examples. He was born in 2005. We will travel in December. She finished her degree in 5 years. I like to walk in the morning. Rule. Use in for months, years, centuries, seasons, and longer periods. 2. Extended prepositions of time. By. Means not later than. Examples. Finish this project by Monday. Deadline. He will be here by 9 p.m. 4. Shows duration. Examples. I have lived here for 2 years. She waited for an hour. Since. Refers to the starting point of time. Examples. I have lived here since 2020. He has been studying since morning. From, to, from, until. Shows beginning and end of time. Examples. The shop is open from 9 to 5. He worked from Monday until Friday. During. Refers to a whole period in which something happens. Examples. We stayed inside during the storm. He slept during the class. Within. Means before the end of or inside a period. Examples. Submit your form within 2 days. He arrived within an hour. Past after. Past is equal to minutes after the hour. The time is 10 past 5. Is equal to 5:10. After is equal to general sense of later time. He arrived after lunch. To before. To is equal to minutes before the next hour. It is 9:45. Is equal to 9:45. Before is equal to earlier than. He arrived before me. Ago. Refers to time counted back from now. Examples. She left 2 years ago. We met a week ago. Until till. Up to a certain point in time. Examples. Wait here until 5 p.m. He slept till noon. By the time. Refers to something that happens before or when another event occurs. Examples. By the time I reached, the train had left. She will finish by the time you arrive. 3. Visual chart. Preposition usage example. At specific time at 7 p.m., at noon. On days dates on Monday, on 15th August. In months, years, longer periods in July, in 2020, in the morning. By deadline, not later than, by tomorrow. For duration for 2 hours. Since starting point since 2010. From, to beginning end from 9 to 5. During whole period during vacation. Within before a period ends within a week. Until till up to a time until evening. Ago time from now, backward, 3 days ago. Before after earlier later than before lunch after dinner. Quick memory tip. At point. On surface, calendar day. In container, longer period. Friends. Listen the story of how Soma had spent a day. Soma had a very busy day. In the morning, she decided to study for 3 hours. Here, for, showed the length of time how long she would study. Here, for, referred the total 3 hours of time of study. Later, she went to the park. While she was there, it suddenly rained during the afternoon walk. Here, during, showed when something happened, inside a time or event. Here it rained at the point of time in the period of time of walking of Soma. In the evening, Soma helped his sister with her homework for 30 minutes. Here again, for was used to mean the total duration of helping, and that was 30 minutes. That night, there was a blackout during dinner, and everyone laughed about it. Here, during was used to mean the point of time of blackout inside the event or total time of dinner. Finally, before going to bed, Soma thought, whenever I want to say how long, I should use for. Whenever I want to say when inside a time or event, I should use during. And with that thought, she slept peacefully. Moral of the story. For tells us the duration, how long. During tells us when within a time or event.
বন্ধুরা, শোনো সোমা কিভাবে একটি দিন কাটিয়েছিল সেই গল্প। সোমা খুব ব্যস্ত একটি দিন কাটিয়েছিল। সকালে সে সিদ্ধান্ত নিল 3 ঘন্টা পড়াশোনা করবে। এখানে ফর দেখিয়েছে কতক্ষণ সময় ধরে, মোট সময়কাল 3 ঘন্টা পড়াশোনা। পরে সে পার্কে গেল। সেখানে থাকাকালীন হঠাৎ বৃষ্টি নামল বিকেলের হাঁটার সময়। এখানে ডিউরিং দেখিয়েছে কখন ঘটনা ঘটল, অর্থাৎ সময় বা ঘটনার মধ্যে কোনো এক সময় সোমার হাঁটার সময় বৃষ্টি হয়েছিল। সন্ধ্যায় সোমা তার বোনকে 30 মিনিট ধরে পড়াশোনায় সাহায্য করল। এখানে আবারও ফর ব্যবহার হয়েছে মোট সময়কাল বোঝাতে 30 মিনিট সাহায্য করা। রাতে ডিনারের সময় বিদ্যুৎ চলে গেল আর সবাই হেসে উঠল। এখানে ডিউরিং ব্যবহার হয়েছে ঘটনার ভেতরের এক সময় ডিনারের মধ্যে বিদ্যুৎ চলে যাওয়া। শেষে ঘুমাতে যাওয়ার আগে সোমা ভাবল, যখনই আমি কতক্ষণ বলতে চাই তখন ফর ব্যবহার করব। যখনই আমি বলতে চাই কোনো সময় বা ঘটনার মধ্যে তখন ডিউরিং ব্যবহার করব। এই ভেবে সে শান্তিতে ঘুমিয়ে পড়ল। গল্পের নৈতিক শিক্ষা। ফর বোঝায় সময়কাল মোট সময়। ডিউরিং বোঝায় কোনো সময় বা ঘটনার মধ্যে ঘটেছে।
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell and stay with Hold Fast Your English.